I'm Anil Kumar, and here are three questions based on pair of angles. We need to consider the angle ABC equal to angle ABD for the following questions. The first one is, find measure of each angle if they are complementary. The second one is, find measure of each angle if they are supplementary angles. And the third one is, if sum of three angle ABC forms a linear pair, find angle ABC, right? So you can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now when we say consider angle ABC equals to ABD, we mean measurement of their size, right? So at times we also write this as M for measurement of angle ABC equals to measurement of angle ABD, right? You understand? Sometimes we'll write measurement also. In most of my videos, I'm not writing M. Okay. Now part A is find measure of each angle if they are complementary. Now complementary angles are those whose sum is how much? Whose sum is 90 degrees, right? So that is, their sum is 90 degrees. And what we know here is that the angle ABC and ABD are equal, right? So that means we're kind of looking at a situation like this. So these two angles are equal. So what we have here is we have one angle equal to the other. So at times we do like this, or we may write like this, saying equal angles. Now can you name the angles? Since B is a common point, we should write B here, okay? Now AB is common, so A goes there. So A is a point somewhere on this arm, right? And B is common to both. ABC and ABD, ABC, that becomes C for us. And here we have the point D. I hope you get it now, right? So now the question is, these two angles, ABC and ABD, are congruent or they are equal? Find measure of each angle if they are complementary. So if you add them, you get 90 degrees, right? So what we see here is that angle ABC plus angle ABD is equals to 90 degrees. That's the meaning of complementary angles. Then what are these angles? Well, so since both the angles are equal, we know they should be half of 90 degrees each, right? Since they are equal, so they should be 45 degrees and 45 degrees, right? Which we can say 2 times angle ABC equals to 90 degrees, and therefore angle ABC is equals to 90 degrees divided by 2, or 45 degrees. You get it. So that is how you can solve such questions. Now let's look into the next one. It says find the measure of each angle if they are supplementary. Now here we are given that sum of these two angles, that is ABC plus angle ABD, is equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Since both are same, we could write as 2 times angle ABC is equals to 180 degrees, or dividing by 2, angle ABC is equals to 180 degrees divided by 2, and that is 90 degrees, correct? Now, can you sketch this scenario just as we did here for complementary angles? Let me show you. So here what we can do is, supplementary means they'll form a straight line, right? So if both are 90 degrees, then that is how it should be sketched. So both are 90 degrees. Do you see that? One, well, the other one has to be 90, since the straight line is 180 degrees, correct? Now, AB is a common arm, so AB is common vertex. So one side can be C, the other side can be D, right? It doesn't matter, both are 90 degrees. Now the third question here is, if sum of 3 ABCs form a linear pair. Now what is a linear pair? Linear pair again is a straight line, right? So three angles will form a linear pair means kind of like this, right? So I'm just approximately drawing. I'm not saying that's the exact drawing. But it really means here that these are the three angles, and we know ABC, three ABCs. All are ABCs. That means 3 times angle ABC is equal to, linear pair means 180 degrees. And therefore, angle ABC should be equal to what? 180 degrees divided by 3, or 60 degrees. So each should be 60 degrees for us, right? So each should be 60 degrees. Do you understand? So that is the answer. So it is A, and this is B, and the point here is C. So that angle ABC has to be 60 degrees when three of the same kind can make a linear pair. Linear pair means 180 degrees. I hope the concept is clear. Let's move on and try some more questions based on this knowledge. Thank you and all the best.